We're going to move from down dog to plank in, let's do 10 counts for extreme mindfulness and for really inhabiting the whole body. You can be on your toes for plank or on your knees for plank. One is not superior to the other, especially not if we're going to put our weight into the shoulders like that. That's no good. We need to use the belly, pull it in, use your butt, tuck it, and use your thighs. Or you could be here. Let's move into down dog. Take 10 counts. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Make it a smooth movement, evenly paced throughout. 4, 5, 6, 7. Tall. 8, 9, 10. So if you're on your toes, your plank is tall. If you're on your knees, same thing. Your chest is tall. Your arms are tall. Your neck is in line with your spine. Good. Let's move into Pilates shell stretch, and we'll do one more of those, or maybe 2 more or 3. Have a seat. When we do it next, I really want you to feel your toes, feel your calves, feel your thighs, the front of the thighs, the back of the thighs, the inside of the thighs. Feel your butt, feel your belly pull in, and feel the height of your plank or feel the height of your half plank. Move into down dog, stretch. Alternately pedal your feet, press your heels toward the mat. Count of 10. Each count is the same length of time as every other count. We're not going to speed up at any point. Let's begin. 1, 2. Feel your toes. 3. Feel your calves. 4, 5. Feel all dimensions of your thighs. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want you to feel tall in your plank and feel high lifted. High lifted, and you can feel your toes, you can feel everything, right? If you're here, same thing. Your chest is high, your arms are tall, your tailbone is tucked down, your belly is pulling in, and your thighs are working. Nice. Move into Pilates shell stretch. Only one more. Let's move into down dog. Stretch, push the heels of your palms down into the earth and push them forward toward the wall in front of you. Breathe in, pull your belly in, exhale, stretch your hips away from your hands with equal amount of energy as you're pushing forward with the hands. Breathe in, exhale, press your heels down toward the earth with an equal amount of energy as you're lifting your tailbone to the sky. Good. Let's move into plank. 1, 2. Feel your toes. 3, 4. Feel your calves. 5, 6. Feel your thighs. 7. Feel your butt. Stretch your back. 8, 9, 10. Really draw up on the front of your thighs. Tuck your tailbone. Pull your belly up. Lift your chest. Lift your arms. Tall. Your plank is tall. Or here, tall. In alignment, ears, spine, hips, knees. Okay, great. Good work, everybody.